today we do some smoking. I bought from the butcher 3 ready-made Mettwurst. I bought 2 Mettwurst air-dried, and I bought 4 fresh ones. So let's see how that works. So here we got 3 different kinds of sausage. These are professional smoked Mettwurst. We don't need to smoke a second time, so they're okay. These are air dried. You see the size. They probably were about the same size than the big ones. They are ready for smoking. These 2 got curing salt in it, and the fresh ones got the regular salt. You have to smoke those right away and then put it on the smoker, put it on the grill or barbecue or pan, and you can eat it right away. And you have to, it will maybe stay 2 or 3 days at very cold temperature in the freezer, in the fridge. So I'm going to put the fresh ones I put in my barbecue box. So I'm going to put in the fresh ones first, because you can have them sit for a long time outside. So I'm going to smoke them for 3 or 4 hours at 17 degrees Celsius. So it's cold smoke. And I also put in the air dried ones to see what the difference is, and also in taste later on. But probably these are taking the longest time than the air dried ones. They're a lot smaller than the other ones. So let's go. So, what I'm going to do, starting a fire. Turn them over. These ones are almost ready. It's better if you hang them than on a rack. Ready, smoking. Could do it a little longer, but it's okay. These are the ones from the butcher, already smoked. That's how they look like. These are the air dries, the air dried ones. Well, I think they look better. And here we got the fresh ones. I mean, they look pretty good. I like them most. Color is perfect. If you see the difference, This looks more tasty than the other ones. But this one will be good, I'm sure. Okay, let's try. That's the air dried one. Looks still good. I mean, should be good. Take a little smaller piece than that. Well, pretty good. Little salty flavor, smoky. Oh, that's what you want. I'm gonna try the fresh one. Looks similar to the other one. A little bit more coarse. Like that even better than the other one. It has more taste. And this is the butcher one, the original smoked sausage. Looks similar to the other ones. Not too much difference. Soft. I'm not really noticed too much difference between these two or those two. This is not really my taste. It's not bad. It's just different. So I go for the butcher ones and the fresh ones. I smoke for about 4 hours. And that's to go for. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like smoked sausage. And you should try it. It's very easy and it makes so much difference. You have to try it. That's all I can say. Okay, give me a thumb up if you liked it, and subscribe if you didn't do so far, and see you in the next video, Little Gasthaus and the German Sausage Maker. Bye bye.